quick moment and show you how to create an APA line graph in Microsoft Excel app in your MacBook. I've already created a data table for us. I like to differentiate between my intervention data and my baseline data in my data table. To do this, I'm going to select the last piece of baseline data and add a bottom border. I wanted to point out that I have also recorded the number of opportunities that this individual had to demonstrate the target behavior, in this case saying please when asking for something. It is not necessary for you to graph this information. However, it's good to have when comparing to your intervention data. I'm going to go ahead and select the data that I want to end up in my table. I'm going to come over here to Insert, and then I'm going to come to Line and select the graph that's line with markers. When the graph is created, the line is blue and we need to change it to black. In order to get the edit menu for this chart to pop up, we're going to go ahead and double click on the line. To change the color of the line, we're going to come to this menu bar and click on Fill, Line, and then change the line to black. Next, we need to change our markers to black. So we're going to go to the Marker tab. We're going to come to the Fill section first and change it to black, and then to the Border section and change it to black. We need to remove these lines here in the back as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click on them and go to Fill, Line, No Line. We need to separate our baseline data from our intervention data. To do this, you're going to click on the line between the last baseline data point and the first intervention data point. And you want to make sure that just the one data point is selected. And you're going to come over to Line and then click No Line. We need to add our access titles here. So in order to do this, we need to ensure that our graph is selected. We're going to come up to Chart Design. We're going to go to Add Chart Element, Access Titles. For our horizontal title, we're going to change it to Date. And then for our vertical title, we're going to change it to Frequency. Next, we are going to separate our baseline data and our intervention data directly in the graph. I'm going to go to Insert, Shape, Line. I am going to draw the line. And then I'm going to come over to the Fill tab, Line tab, change it to black, increase the width, and change the dash type to dash. Now, to make sure that it is truly straight, you can select it here, move it slightly, and make it until it is 0 in width and 0 in height. Next, I need to add the title for my baseline and my intervention. So I'm going to go back to Insert, Text, Text Box. I'm going to draw the text box and put baseline. And then I'm going to copy the box with Command C paste the box with Command V, bring it over here, and then change it to intervention. And there you have it. I have my baseline data separated from my intervention data with a dashed line. It is black. I have a horizontal axis and a vertical axis title. My chart is titled, and I have it labeled baseline and intervention. If you guys need any help with this, let me know. I can also do this in Mac's version of Microsoft Excel. I'm happy to help if you guys need anything. All right, thanks.